If you're still using shared hosting, your website is literally running with a handbrake on. Today, we are taking the brakes off. I'm going to show you how to move to a Hostinger KVM VPS using CloudPanel, the most lethal combination for insane WordPress speed and total server control. Now, Hostinger is already running a massive sale, up to 61% off, but here is the absolute kicker. If you use my link in the description below, you will get an additional 10% off on top of that. We are talking enterprise-level performance for basically pennies. No more lag, no more excuses. Let's build the fastest site you've ever owned. Let's dive in. We're starting with the KVM 2 plan. It's their most popular because you get a massive performance boost at a great price. I'm locking in the 24-month deal to save over 60%, and the checkout is super smooth. Now for the setup. I'm choosing the US Phoenix location for low latency, and this is the important part, selecting Ubuntu with CloudPanel as our OS. This gives us a beautiful dashboard to manage everything without using code. We'll add a malware scanner for safety, set a strong password for our control panel, and create a root password. Just a quick name for the server, and we are ready to initialize. While the VPS is setting up, you can see how clean the Hostinger dashboard is. Everything you need, from your IP address to server status, is right here in one view. I'm just checking out the plan details here. 8 gigs of RAM and 100 gigs of NVMe storage. That's plenty of power for a fast WordPress site, or even multiple projects. If you ever get stuck, Hostinger has an AI assistant named Kodee. I'm asking it how to point my domain to the server, and it gives me the IP address and the exact steps instantly. No more searching through help docs. Now, let's point our domain. We go into the DNS settings of our domain, delete the old park records, and add a new A record. Just paste in that IP address Kodee gave us and hit save. I'm also adding a record for the www version of the site to make sure everything is covered. Hostinger's DNS management is really snappy, so these changes usually take effect almost immediately. Let's verify it. A quick check on a DNS propagation tool shows our domain is now pointing to our new VPS IP all over the world. We are officially live. Now we log in to CloudPanel. Since it's a fresh install, we'll bypass the security warning and use the admin credentials we created earlier. Look at this interface. It's so much faster than traditional hosting panels. Installing WordPress is a dream here. Just click Add Site, then create a WordPress site. Fill in your domain, give it a title, and set your admin user. CloudPanel handles the database and the install in seconds. Before we visit the site, let's secure it. I'm heading to the SSL settings and installing a free Let's Encrypt certificate. This gives our site that essential green padlock for security. And there it is. Our brand new WordPress site is live, running on a high-performance VPS. The loading speed is incredible because the server resources are dedicated entirely to us. Logging into the WordPress dashboard is instant. No lag, no waiting. This is how web development should feel. You can now install your favorite themes and plugins and start building. If you're ready to level up your hosting, grab that Hostinger VPS discount in the description. Don't settle for slow sites. Go VPS and feel the speed.
And just like that, you are officially off the shared hosting struggle bus and in the driver's seat of a high-performance VPS. Look at those load times. That is the power of dedicated KVM resources and CloudPanel working together. Your site isn't just live, it's optimized for the big leagues. If you're ready to give your brand the speed it deserves, do not leave money on the table. Click that link in the description right now to stack Hostinger's 61% discount with my exclusive extra 20% off. It is the absolute lowest price you will find for this level of power. If this tutorial made your life easier, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next performance deep dive, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, go build something fast.